Hey everybody, Chris Young, Gander RV and Outdoors, standing inside the 2020 Thor Freedom Elite 22 FE. Now let me tell you about Class Cs. If you've been thinking about getting out and about and seeing the country and you do not have a vehicle that you feel comfortable enough to tow a travel trailer, a Class C like this is absolutely perfect, especially if you're a family that only needs to sleep anywhere from like 4, maybe 6 people tops, because this one only has one slide and the space, the length makes it easy to handle. Let's start right over here in the kitchen. You're going to notice with these Freedom Elite products, the decors, like this one is the Palm Shore decor. They're going to be very light, but also have a ton of residential, extremely pleasing features. We got a single deep well stainless steel sink with the cutting board covers. And I always tell people, if you're going to cut on the bottom, so that way you're not scratching up the top. But you do have the stainless steel high-rise faucet with the pull-down sprayer, large campside window, once again with that Palm Shores decor. Yes, Palm Shores is where Lovey and I used to vacation. Love it. All right, solid wood shaker-style cabinets with the maple glaze on it, brushed nickel fixtures, and the great thing I like about these shelves, they are adjustable. So if you got pots and pans you want to put in here, or if you got plates and cups, or say, you know what, I'm not really going to do much cooking, I'm going to be traveling and enjoying the outdoors, this is where I'm going to put my backpacks. You can just take those shelves out. Got the Greystone microwave right here, flush mounted 3-burner cooktop, which is a great addition. You don't know how nice it is to have that flush top until you start moving stuff around. Glass cover, LED light, and furnace. And plenty of storage. That's a great spot for your pans. Solid wood construction on these drawers. You even have the utensil cabinet right there. Slide this one out. There's your remote. Slide that one out. And you're going to notice that the lower drawers usually are bigger, mainly because take a look at where the sink is. That's why these have more space. But solid wood construction, ball bearing, full extension, brushed nickel fixtures, residential style flooring, which is slip resistant and easy to clean. You got 84-inch ceilings with solid vinyl roofing inside these Freedom Elites. I just love that because of the headroom. We come off the campsite, and this is where you're really going to get a chance to reconnect with the family. Great space. We call this the dream dinette. There's no legs under here, so you got full space for everybody's legs and feet. The table actually pushes down, and this becomes a sleeper. But this is a great spot to connect with the family. And when was the last time you got out, had fun, and reconnected with the family? I mean, you could do the board games here, have the meals, got a huge bay window, you got a USB charging port under the storage cabinet there, and a little speaker, so if you wanted to have some music going, you absolutely could. Plus, those are dual zone. And plenty of strut-supported storage up top. Just absolutely beautiful. And this mirror, which is a nice residential feel, is also functional because that is your pass-through storage. We need to get some WD-40 there, but that's your pass-through storage for the ward to the master bedroom. So if you're getting ready to head out and you've forgotten your jackets in there, you can just reach in and grab it and pull out. Now, we do have a roof-mounted AC with quick cool. We got a little mini storage compartment with suspension netting there and another dual USB charging port. That's a great spot for when you want to Bluetooth your music in, or you just want to play some stuff, put your phone there, keep it charging while the generator's running and all that good stuff. 500-pound max capacity bunk over cab right here with the large television, which is on a swivel. So if the kids want to fight to get up here, look, you even got your wooden inlay cup holders back there in the corner. And this is a solid end cap too. So great insulation, great look and feel, and plenty of headroom. I mean, obviously you wouldn't want to sit up inside of this because you knock yourself out, but TV's on a swivel. You can watch it from there, or if the kids wanted to watch it while they were in bed, just push it back. They have their own push button lights right there, and you can lock this in place with the gear. This can actually be stored underneath, but I kind of wanted to show you that when driving, obviously you're not going to have the rest of the bed in place, but when it's time for the kids to go to bed, or whoever's going to be using the bunk, there's your ladder. Obviously you keep that there, or store it underneath or on top when in transit. Inside the cab, you're going to notice these plush, comfortable chairs. This is on a Ford chassis, and I'll talk more about the engine once we get outside. But you got the touchscreen display right there. Lots of storage space up top, cup holders, good visibility, good room, great sound system. This is just a beautiful, great option for that family that's looking to get out and about and can't do a travel trailer. So we got the Dometic fridge and freezer that runs on both gas and electric. It does have the automatic switch. Plenty of storage here. Once again, you're gonna notice those shelves can be moved. So if that's where you want to put your tackle boxes, your backpacks, your hiking gear, bam, that's a good spot for it. Nothing's complete without a spot for the trash can. We make our way over to the bathroom, and you're gonna notice right away, there's a lot of residential appeal to this bathroom. Plenty of leg room here on the ceramic toilet with a foot flush. I got storage underneath the stainless steel single basin sink here. I got the brushed nickel fixtures there. Mirrored corner vanity. Just maximizing the space, but not making you feel like you're cramped. Once again, this isn't even on the slide. The slide is for the master bedroom. Got a hanger here. Plenty of room in the single surround shower with shower curtain. And that skylight does give me a lot of extra headroom, because if you notice, with me being 6'2", I would actually be above the roof line here. But lots of natural light, beautiful appearance. You don't even really need the lights on when you're in here. Got the corner notches for the soaps, the shampoos. Got the sprayer nozzle there. We come out of the bathroom. I'll cut the light off because that's always a good thing to do. Now, obviously, when you have a cameraman and you're moving around, they're moving around, you might be a little cramped there. But if you notice how much space there actually is here, there's a lot of room. This is still a walk-around queen-size bed that when the slide comes in, the bed just comes up to here. You have storage up above the bed. You have a headboard there, residential style. You don't have a nightstand, but you do have the lip with the power ports there. So if you want to charge your phone at night, you absolutely could. This is the other side of that mirrored wardrobe that we talked about right behind the Dream dinette. A lot of space and storage in these deep well shelves. And we come over here. This is our TV mount with our HDMI and antenna connection and power port. That's where you can put a little TV there. And this is how you move the slide in and out. There's your controls. Now, before we go outside, I want to show you the control panel, because these are extremely important. And I always tell people, talk to your RV specialist at Gander RV and Outdoors about how to use this. Yes, usually when you're checking your gas, your battery, your fresh tank, your black tank, your gray tank, those are easy to tell because you'll have the lights. E for empty, F for full, so forth and so on. But how to operate the generator, how to cut the inverter on, all that good stuff. Read the manual and talk to your specialist about how to use those when you're out traveling so you don't blow or ruin anything. We've seen the inside of this beautiful 2020 Thor Freedom Elite 22 FE. What do you say we go check out the outside? Okay, everybody, here we are on the outside of the 2020 Thor Freedom Elite 22 FE. Now, these things, believe it or not, way easier to handle than you think. Always check them out first and talk to your specialist at Gander RV and Outdoors. Do a test drive to make sure you're comfortable driving it. But this unit, even with the ladder, is only 24 feet long. So if you're looking for that entry-level Class C, this is a great one. Plus, you're on that Triton 6.8 liter, 350 Super Duty chassis, 305 horses under that hood. You're going to be okay, especially when you need to pass and get up and go. But I'm a fan of not only the solid one-piece molded end cap that we have here, but this beautiful fiberglass exterior. We come around the front and over to the camp side, and pretty much all Freedom Elites that you get are going to have these doors that are kind of what I like to call it grandma's spring door. My grandma had this great door that was kind of spring activated. It was fantastic. And this one does have the screen door with the plastic cover for the handle. So when you're ready to just have some of that summertime or spring breeze or fall breeze coming in, you are good to go there. Solid handle too to go in. Sealed tinted safety glass all the way around. This one has 30 cubic foot of storage space. And you're going to see a lot of storage is that rubberized LED lids, flush mounted doors. Even the seals are covered so that you're not going to get that rust. Power ports over here. If you wanted to plug in the boom box We got a 15-foot awning with an LED light underneath, giving you plenty of coverage to do that outside entertaining, or if you just want to sit up and hang out. Come around to the back. We got the 4x4 sewer hose storage there. Safety ladder, which is mounted and is rolled over the top for that extra protection. When you're getting up on top, you do have something to hold on to. If you're going to notice right there, that's your backup camera in the rear lane. Main bedroom slide, flush mounted, sealed. Here's some of that storage. I want you to get in. Look at that finished off storage. These doors do lock open too, so you don't have to worry about with these hinges if you're setting stuff in or loading stuff in, because that's a great spot for backpacks, fishing gear. I could probably get a couple of good tackle boxes in here. Not really a rifle case if I was doing some hunting, but good fishing space. And we have the LED light there. Close that up, and right back here in the back corner too is our main dumps. Your wastewater holding tank and your sewer outlet connection are right there. There's your water valve pull. This is an unleaded unit, so there's your gas connection, freshwater connection, city water connection, tank flush right there. Great having that on the unit, especially when you're talking about this small. Now this one does have a generator on it, and it is locked, but that's okay. You got an Onan 4,000 watt generator under there. This is the opening so for the venting. This is your 30 amp connection service. Your TV connection right there if you want to set that up. And some more storage, or excuse me, that's your LP connection right there. Propane tank and back of the furnace right here. So plenty of storage both on the inside and outside. I mean, 30 cubic foot doesn't sound like a lot until you start packing all your stuff up, and then you realize we got all that storage space on the inside too. But fantastic option for that family or that couple that's looking to get out and about and do some adventuring, doesn't have a vehicle to tow a travel trailer, but wants to go somewhere. I would highly suggest checking out this 2020 Thor Freedom Elite 22FE. But leave me some comments down below and let me know what you think about this Class C motorhome. Where do you see yourself taking it? What did you like about it? What did you not like about it? Because I love hearing from you. I'm Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you soon and enjoying the great outdoors. But as always, come check out a camper. I'll see you.